Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn some simple array of methods. So let's start the tutorial. So here first of all we are going to learn the slice. Slice method returns the selected elements in an array as a new array. So here I am adding slice 2 means position second 0 1 2, right? So after that this only selected elements from second position to the last one. So it will print CDE in CD. If suppose I will put here, I'm going to console this log, this one, 2 and 4th, right? So let's see what we're going to return. It's C and D, 2 and 4th. So it's C, 0 index, 1 index, and this is 2 index, right? And remove this 0 1 2 3 4 4. So it's only print the C and D. If you suppose it will only return the selected elements in an array, what we have selected, that is second position, and remove the fourth element. If suppose we are going to add -2, so what we are going to print, E and E, right? From the last element, so it subtracts the only gets only the last two elements for the -2, right? If suppose I'm going to add a 3, so what we are going to return, CDE, right? So it's subtract how many elements that you want to get, that is referred by the slice method, right? So it's similar with the case if I'm going to comment this one, and we are going to learn this 1 and -2 position, 1 and -2 position, move 1 and -2 position. From 1 you can get the in the last 2, we are going to elements -2, that is B and C. Okay, so this is about the slice, but whenever you want how many elements that you want to return, so you can use the method slice, right? So in this I'm going to add one more method that is called the spread operator. Suppose this is my array, right? I think it's better because spread operator plays a very important role right now. So I'm going to array, here I'm going to add alphabet array, right? So that alphabet apps array, right? Here I'm going to add only two elements, that is G and F. So alphabet array, I'm logging here spread operator with this, right? And if I'm going to just console.log this and comma this, and here this, let's see the magic what we are going on. Below this array becomes, okay, something I think here we need to add array dot alphabet array. Okay, so this is basically an alphabet array, right? Array 5 ABCD, error this one GF. So it's just writing the consoling the array. I will explain what we can do with the spread operator. Operator basically basically it's an original array, right? Whenever we are consoling the array, just console.log array, right? It will also print the same array, and with this spread operator it will also print the same array. But where we can use it, so this we are gonna use it, like suppose in the you can say ACMA, this is ACMA spread operator, right? So where we can use, suppose you want to push something in that particular array, right? So you can copy that array and you can push some values in that array. So here, there you can use the spread operator, right? Suppose I have the array and I want something like a key value to be like status to be true, always status to be true. So I will copy the whole array with the spread operator, and I will add a key and return that value. So that is the spread operator. I will discuss this whole part, spread operator, how it works, in the next video definitely. So right now you need to learn that spread operator just copies the element what we have original one, right? So it will give you the same exact array, right? So next we have the splice method, which we have already discussed in the last section, I guess. I don't need to repeat it. So basically splices methods adds or remove array elements. So where you want to array dot splice, right? So next we have the reverse. So this we haven't discussed. Okay. So let's comment all the previous things and focusing on the next one, that is reverse constant array 2. Array 2, this is not good for defining such kind of things. So array I already defined array, right? So array is a b c d e, right? And in const array 2 j I, this. So array 2 dot reverse, we have console array 2, and after that array 2 what exactly it is. Let's reload this. Let's come step do one step by step. It will reverse the array fghij, fghij. So array 2 dot reverse, and here I'm going to console this array 2, exactly it is fghij. Okay. So reverse means if you want to, like, suppose I'm going to add one more array like 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can also you reverse means reverse than full array, right? So it's easy, just put reverse function, right, on the array objects. Concat, that is concatenating of the two arrays, right? So let's uncomment this and check. So concatenate, we are using concat. So console.log letters, so it will also do the same here. This is this use of the spread operator here, array and array 2. I think something I what I missed that wrong. Okay, I have used this. Oh, it should be in one braces, I have used two braces. Okay. So on concatenate, you can use concat if you want to add two arrays. You can also use the spread operator. Suppose I have the suppose the front end says like I want to don't send me the different arrays. It should be merged into a big array and merge all the data into here with the key, right? So what I can do is I can use the spread operator. Spread operator basically merge two arrays, right? Concat two arrays. So this is array that we have already defined, and this is array 2, right? Array 2 is this, so it will merge. If I go and check without doing these letters by using spread operator, you can see it will merge the array a b c d e f g h I, right? And you can also same result, it's printed by this one also, abcd, right? Full-fledged thing. Okay, let's comment this and let's move to the next part. Array reverse is done, array concatenate is done. Let's done the join. So for the join, we need to enable this letter where we have defined the letters section. Letters join with hyphen. So it will join with hyphen. Let's see. Array 2 is not defined. Okay, where is array 2? Which we have to do the comment, right? We do this. A, B, C, D with hyphens. So you can use the join method to join with something or something like this. That's our alphabets, right? So let's move to the array push. Array push, I think we have already discussed in the previous video. Basically, it's simple. Suppose we have the letters, like, so let's suppose I want to add one more thing. So I will use array. So what my array name is letters. Letters dot, just you need to push says push item and string. Push. So which one do I want to push in letters? That is, you can push test. Simple variable. And let me console the letters. Console dot log. Have in the letter section. Letters, comma, letters. Let's reload this. Letters. A B C D F G H 10s test. This is basically a push method, right? Whenever you add a new element to the array, so you can use the push methods. That is helping in making the array object when you try to return to the front end with the help of API. So that it's gonna be a very useful things. When you create empty object, in empty object when you do the for each looping and just one by one element you will get it and push it into the array and you will create a full big array, right? I will teach you on that, like how we can make of like array object or something like this later on this videos, right? So that plays a very important, that section will be covered, I think, the for each section, I guess. Okay, let's move to the next one, that is the filter. So here we have what, when we are going to use the filter options, some specified condition will met in, so it will return one. So I'm going to return this one, console.log. Filtering an object, you can say something like you can filter like we have array objects and filter with the like whose id is 2 and whose id is 9, something like we can check with this filter function, right? So filter method creates a new array filled with the elements that pass a test, right? So it needs to pass a test check element, check adult. So here age is greater than 18, so I can console that log result. Here I'm going to put the result section and just reload this page. See, 32, 33, 40. 32, 33, 40. It will not pass the test 60 because age should be greater than 18. So it will return only this. So it filter the objects. And suppose if I want arrow dot filter, here I'm going to pass 18. Right? Nothing else. Nothing gonna be filtered out. What happened? 18 is not a function. Sorry. Here we need to at least full-fledged section so that we can use it. So it needs some array filter is basically function, so you need to pass the full array and check which elements that they are matching, and if they are not satisfied the conditions, so it remove that element and make a new array and generate, you can print it out. Suppose this gonna be used whenever you want like such kind of manipulations in JavaScript, so that will be useful in that place, right? So you can use what functions we are over here. We have learned splice, reverse, concat, join, push, very important. Filter is very important, and filter, and there is one more function that is reduce sum, and reduce sum. One anything else? Index of we have already discussed. Length we already discussed. Let's see what functions we have missed, we will cover in the next video, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Hopefully you understand what we have learned in this section. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and comment.